guys, I am Gia. In today's video, my mama is preparing easy and simple birthday cake for beginners. Before going to the video, please do not forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my latest notifications. Over to mama.
Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is a simple cake design for beginners. I am not a professional in this, just learnt it, so thought of sharing with y'all. In this video, I'll be showing how to make whipping cream frosting and chocolate ganache with only 2 ingredients. This chocolate ganache will be used for dripping and also for decorating. So without much delay, let's go into the video. This is a 7-inch cake tin I have taken. Brush some oil on all the sides. Place the baking paper. Again brush some oil. Next, let's do the preheating. Place the kadai to this, add salt, place the stand and close the lid. Preheat the kadai for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now let's make the batter for the cake. Take a bowl. To this, add 3 eggs. Beat it for a while till it becomes frothy. All the ingredients and the measurements I have mentioned in the description box. Next, add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar. Beat again till it turns into ivory color. Now to this add 1/3 cup of sunflower oil. This is done. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Add 3/4 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Always add the dry ingredients after sieving. Do not add it directly into the batter. Now mix everything with a cut and fold method. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of milk. Add little at a time. Then goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just give it a mix. So now our batter is ready. Then pour the batter into the mold. Tap it to remove all the air bubbles. Kadai has been preheated for 10 minutes. Let's place the mold and cook it on low flame for 30 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes are over, so let's check if our cake is baked. The stewer has come out clean. Off the flame. Remove the baking paper. Now keep the cake aside till it cools down completely. When you want to do cake decoration, it is always better to prepare the cake the previous night and refrigerate it and use it the next day. Cake has been cooled down completely. Let's divide the cake. Since it is for beginners, I'll be cutting only 1 layer. If you need, you can make 2 or 3 layers also. So here I have cut 2 pieces. Next, let's make the whipping cream frosting. The bowl which you will be using should be kept in the freezer for 20 minutes. To this add 1.5 cup of whipping cream. Now let's beat it. First, start the beating with slow speed, then later increase the speed. To this add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Then beat again. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat it. Beat it till you get a stiff peak. This is the way it has to be. Now let's make the chocolate ganache. Here I have taken 2 cups of dark chocolate cut into small pieces and 1 cup of warm whipping cream. For making the whipping cream warm, keep on medium flame just till the cream simmer. As soon as you see the bubbles on cream, off the flame and pour it on the chocolate. Now close the lid and keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and start mixing. If you still find some chocolate chunks, then keep it on a double boiler and mix it. This is the perfect consistency of the chocolate ganache. Now from this we will remove half the portion and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, which will be used for decorating the cake. And the balance we will put in the piping bag for giving drips on the cake. Let's start decorating the cake. Place the cake pot on the turntable, put some whipping cream in the center and place 1 layer of cake. Then put sugar syrup. This sugar syrup is made by boiling 3/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Add a good amount of sugar syrup, then put the whipping cream and spread it evenly on all the sides. Then put some pieces of cherries and pour in some choco syrup. You can put anything of your choice. Then place other layer of the cake. Again put the sugar syrup. Then put good amount of whipping cream on top and also on the sides. It will take little practice to make it perfect. Now the entire cake is covered with whipping cream. At this stage we will refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes for the cake to get set. Now I have removed the cake from the refrigerator. You can use the scraper and see how easy it would be now for you to smooth out the edges and to make the cake look even. This is how the final look is. Now let's give dripping with the chocolate ganache. This is done. This is the balanced chocolate ganache which was kept in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now we will pour this into the piping bag. I'll be making a simple flower design with this. Putting some small designs at the bottom. Then decorate with some chocolates, cherries. You can decorate it with anything available with you. Then put some chocolate balls. This is how the cake looks. Hope you all enjoyed the video.
So if you all liked my mama's recipe, please do not forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my latest notifications. I'll see you all with the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.